Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this PowerPoint design in just 5 minutes in PowerPoint in a very easy way. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Plus you can get this entire free template from the link in the description below. So don't forget to comment down and telling your views about this template design. So first of all, we're gonna open up a blank slide in PowerPoint, go to format background, and then we're gonna change the background's color to whatever the color you wanna use. I'm gonna go with the orange for now. Then what we're gonna do is insert a circle and move it to the left. Let's change its color to gray, remove its outline from line option. Then we're gonna go to insert tab and insert a rounded corner rectangle, remove its outline. And we're gonna put this rectangle on top of it and give it some transparency so that we can fit it on half of the bottom part of this rectangle. Select the rectangle, then this rectangle. We're gonna fragment them so you remove the other part that you don't need. Then we're gonna change the colors. Make sure you're using different colors right now for them. Then we're gonna insert a text box or the title, whatever the title you want to use. So the very next thing we have to do is insert these diamond shapes, 4 diamond shapes, put them here. Then let's just insert images in these shapes, and what we're gonna do is give them an outline. After doing that, the next thing we have to do is insert our text boxes just below them and give the title. Here we go. Then we're gonna insert other text. So after doing that, what you have to do is just go for or you're just gonna go and insert images, and let's just give it an outline. Here we go. Then we're gonna insert these right here. So the next thing we have to do is just put up an outline here. And we're gonna put these 4 shapes right here, which are diamond shapes, decrease their sizes. So yeah, here we go. The next thing we have to do is just put an emerald shape right here. We're gonna insert our black text in it, and this is the last slide, in which what we're gonna do is just insert a round corner rectangle, make it a circle, and we're gonna give animation. So yeah, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe, and if you want this free template, you can check the link in the description below.